Alright guys, in today's video it's more about a simple trick or a simple technique which you can use when you're DJing is let's say you don't have a mic, or if your mic has failed, or if you for some reason you need to announce something and you don't have a mic or something like that. How you can use your headphones, your the very important thing, headphones, how you can use this headphones, excuse me, sorry, how you can use your headphones to use it as a mic. So I'm going to show you this. So this has you need to have either of these. You need to either have a headphone jack, which is this TRS jack, or 5.5 inch jack or something. I don't know what exactly that. It's called TRS jack. And then your aux, usually your aux is there. So you need to either have a converter like this. Sorry, yeah, I have a converter already connected. You can buy a converter like this, and 3.5 jack to a TRS jack, and you can connect this. And this is again a mono one. This is stereo. If it has two bands, then there is stereo, and this is one band that is mono. Again, for mic, you only need a mono band, anyways. So now what we're going to do is, because we already have this, we're going to connect this to this headphones has two options, which is the the TRS jack and a 3.5 jack. So I'm just going to connect the 3.5 jack over here, and now I'm going to connect this in my mic 2 slot, which is over here, as you can see. And now once I've connected that, now what I'm going to do is, you can see I have mic 1 volume, mic 2 volume. Okay, so I'm just going to cut the mic volume 1 completely, and here I go away. All right, so now you can hear like this is very bassy sounding. So what you can do is, and now for this you have to talk into your headphones. So this region, right? So you or this like, can, right? So you have to talk into your headphones. Like I'm literally talking into my headphones. I can't show you my face, but yeah. And either of these two. If it is a stereo cable, you can talk into both of these. Like right now, I'm talking in one, and the other one over here. So it's as simple as that, right? You can see, right? Yeah. Hello, check, check. You can hear me. Check, check. Yeah. And you can see the difference also in the mic, right? This is there's a huge difference in noise cancellation. Like you really have to speak into, like if I'm speaking really close to the headphones, inside the headphones, then it is working really amazingly. But if as I keep going a little far, you can see my volume is dropping, and you can increase the volume a lot more. And if you cut the bass of the mic, now it'll sound a lot more better. Like it'll not really be that clashing. So because you're talking into your headphones, you don't have to worry about cutting the bass, because if you are in front of a booth monitor or something, so it will not give you that feedback, that feedback which you get when you stand in front of the speaker with a mic. So this is how you can use your headphones as your microphone as well. Check, 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 check. And now I'm going to show you the difference between a mono mic and a stereo mic. So right now you can see I'm speaking into both the ones. It's working, or I can just tap and show you. It's working in this one. So you can see both the mics are working. It's not like if I'm talking in one mic, it's not giving that left right wala effect. Like if I'm talking in the left earphone, you're still able to hear in both the ears of your, or if you're listening to the video with your earphones, you'll be able to hear in both the ones. And check, 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 right? You're still able to hear it very good. Alright, so now I'm going to change the cable a little bit. We'll do the changings. Just first, before I do that, I'm going to cut the mic. I'm going to get back to my the regular mic which I use. And now we're going to change the cable switches. We're going to switch from a, oh my god, stuck in really good, huh? So we're going to use a converter now. Instead of using the direct cable of 3-point stereo jack, we'll use a TRS mono. Okay, go in. All right. All right, so we'll just put it over here, right? And we'll connect this. So I've connected this as a mono, right? So now if I just have to connect this and show you, now if I do the tap, okay, this is creating feedback, still creating that weird feedback. I think it's the, okay, hold on, let me check, right? Okay, yeah, but because I think it's the cable issue or the converter issue, you are getting that static V noise, like how, I don't know what is the issue. That usually is not going to be the issue, but yeah. Anyways, so now if I'm okay, so if I tap, right, if I'm tapping over here, you're not able to hear anything. But if I tap it over here, if the tab, you can hear the tapping. That is because only the left side. Uh, okay, so the left and right is not written on this, but it's on the headphones. You can see if it has 3 dots, that is the left side. So this is the left side. Only the left side of your earphones will be working. So now, if you have, again, depending on what cable you have and what kind of a if it is a TRS stereo or a TRS mono, to what kind of headphones and all those things matter. But you can convert your headphones. I don't think you can convert your earphones. I don't think you can talk into your earphones because earphones are really tiny, right? It will be really hard. So now I'm using my headphones as a microphone. This is a very cool trick which you can use. Again, getting back to my original mic, you can see how much difference it is making. Obviously this mic is picking up a lot of background, and the white noise and all that, but the headphones is not picking up the background or the white noise, but it is cutting off the higher frequencies of my sound, and my voice, sorry, of my voice, and it's picking up a lot of white noise with it. Anyway, so this is a very cool trick which you can use in emergency sakes if if you don't have a mic, or if your mic fails, or if you need an extra mic or something like that. You can just turn your headphones into your microphone, and this, depending on how good your headphones are, the quality of this your voice will change. Obviously this is very basic headphones left by a student, like I think it's like 1500 headphones or something, but if you're using a really good headphones, you won't have to worry about all of this. So yeah, this is a very cool trick which you can use. One more cool trick, I'll try to figure out one more cool trick which I can teach you soon in the next tutorial video. And yeah, I hope this video was fun, and you got to know that you can use your headphones also as microphones. So voila, surprise, surprise. 90% of DJs don't know that you can use your headphones as microphone. I also didn't know that. One of where I was playing somewhere, and one of the DJs over there told me that, yo man, we don't have a mic, but we can use your headphones as your mic, man. I had to announce something, so it's like, oh really, you can use your headphones as mic? You must be joking. It's like, yeah, no. So yeah, this is how it works. You can use your headphones as your mic as well. But yeah, this is a cool thing, man. Again, you can show off your skills or something. But anyways, if you have any more questions or queries or anything you want to ask me about how to learn DJing and anything, you can comment down below, and like, share, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, if you want to learn DJing, you can check out our website for different courses, and the fees and the timings and the length, duration, and all the other information you would be needing is all available on our website. You can either check the description for the link, or you can just type destinyschoolofdj.com. Alright, man, see you in the next video. Hope you had fun watching this video. Until next video, take care, keep practicing. Let's go. Oh, I really need to find a cool catchphrase, huh? I think so. Alright, see you soon. Take care. Bye.